Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Why am I so excited? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Evie and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Benin City, Nigeria. So this vlog is going to be like a maintenance vlog, sort of, because I'm going to be braiding my hair after 9 months. Wow. It's even more than 9 months, but because I put extension in my hair like in February this year, thereabouts. Yeah, February this year. That's when last I added extensions to my hair. And I can count how many times I added to my hair last year, but all of that is past now because I am now a nursing graduate. I can do whatever I have in my mind with my hair. So anyways, today basically I went to get my hair extensions and I'll be showing it to you guys, don't worry. I'll be using the Lush hair extension in color 27. And then because I'm making boho braids, I also got curls that I'll be adding to it. My hairstylist said this is going to be enough for a full head, but I don't know how feasible that is, but we'll have to see. Then I also got my regular hair products for washing my hair, washing and conditioning my hair. So basically all I have to do this night is prep the hair extension because my friend is making it for me, so I have to help her prep the hair extensions. Then I also have to lose my hair and wash it because this hair is dirty. You know that sound on TikTok that says nothing beats a jet to holiday? It's a lie. Oh. Fresh braids beats a jet to holiday. But anyways, let me get into the losing of this hair.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Crying out, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way.
Brianna. Can't even say. Okay, so today is Saturday, the 1st of November, and I'm so tired. Like I'm having body pains. Anyways, pack my bag in here. And the bag I'm taking to the hairstylist place. Or rather, we're doing a little, let's say, my bag. Starting off strong, we have hair extension. This is the bag I'll be carrying. This is another thing I have that if you can scream and say, "Let me go," it will have. Anyways, in it goes my tripod stand to create content, my AirPod, lip gloss, this is my hair dryer, gosh, very important. Hey, give me the money. Hey, hear me go. I'm wasting time here. I don't have this luxury of time. I'm using my cord because I need to take my power bank, but it's not here right now. So I'll buy some snacks on the way, like biscuits and all of that, because hunger will kill me if I don't. And for my outfit of the day, I'm wearing like a very basic something. You see when I go and bathe and come back, sure. So, ciao.
you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing.
I'm not brushing the hair so much because the hairstylist is still going to do that. So what's the essence? Right now, the hair seems very pending. I haven't started. This is how I'm going to go. Everybody will pardon me, right? I guess to you. Now, so that I can stop looking like okolo a little bit of lip gloss. Another one since Boho. So I'm going to get going now. And see you guys. Hey, you're coming with me. Like, you actually need to get going now because my appointment is slated for 8 a.m. and it is currently like 7:25-ish right now. So, bye guys, let's go.
Crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I seek you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across.
You guys, can you believe that it is raining? Right now it's drizzling and this rain looks like it's going to be serious. Can I just get to where I'm going to first?
Singing with me, it's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me.
When you decided to go out with someone. This is over. All of that jewelry of yours, who bought it for you? Huh? I did. And that's all of your things. Disculpe, necesitamos que nos entregues más. All these lies, they just
Wash away my shame. You don't kill me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. You so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. Can't fight it, let your light gon' shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but
So guys, this brings us to the end of today's vlog, and I'm super grateful for you watching up until this point. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.